Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a budget true wireless earbuds from Noise, and it's the Noise Buds Prima 2. And in today's video, we will do the unboxing and will let you how it performs. So starting with the unboxing, we have the picture of the earbuds in the front, and here we have the model name Buds Prima 2. And they are the truly wireless earphones. At the back we have the specifications, and this is a deep whine variant, and apart from that, they are available in a few different colors. About the features, we get the 50 hours playback time, HyperSync technology, dual mic ENC, IPX5 water resistant, Bluetooth 5.3, and you get the Instacharge support. The MRP on the box is Rs 3,999, however, the launch price is just Rs 1,299. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we get the charging case, and we have the earbuds inside. And guys, this deep whine variant looks beautiful and the product feels well built. We will look at the earphones and the charging case in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the documentations, and we get a welcome card, and here we have the warranty details, and then we have the user guide, and after that we have the noise stickers. Apart from that, we have one more box, and here we have two pairs of extra ear tips and the Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Noise Buds Prima 2 is a budget true wireless earphones. Looking at the charging case first, we have the matte finish on the case, and keeping in mind the pricing, the build quality and design wise, we find it pretty good. The size of the case is also decent, and you get this pebble-like shape. It's not too big, so you can easily carry the charging case in your pocket. In terms of the overview, so in the front we have the noise branding, and here we have the charging indicator, and at this side we have the Type-C charging port. At the back we can see the battery capacity of the case, which is 500 mAh. Now in terms of the door, the hinge quality is good, and you get a pretty good feel while opening or closing the door of the case. But due to its design, you won't be able to open the case with one hand. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds. They are lightweight, and we have the same matte finish texture on the earbuds which we have on the case. Design wise, I find them good, and you have a LED light on the top along with the Noise logo at the bottom. You get a quad mic setup in these earbuds which will be helpful while taking calls. In terms of the technical details, we get the Bluetooth 5.3, IPX5 water resistant rating, and you also get the HyperSync and the Instacharge support. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So as mentioned earlier, you get the HyperSync in these earbuds, which means you don't have to take the earbuds out of the case for pairing. So just open the case and they are available to pair with your phone. And once paired, they will auto connect as soon as you open the door. Now let me first show you the different touch controls. So a single tap on the right earbud will increase the volume, and a single tap on the left earbud will decrease the volume. Double tap on either of the earbuds will pause and play music. Long press on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and long press on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. Triple tap on either of the earbuds will enable Google Assistant or Siri. Now about the performance. First of all guys, I find these earbuds very comfortable to use, but make sure to use the correct size ear tip, which will give you better sound and good passive noise cancellation. About the performance, the first thing you will notice is the bass in the earbuds. They are bass heavy, and you get a punchy and boomy bass output from these earbuds. But due to that, we have noticed that the highs and mids are sometimes not that clear. So the vocals are clear, but where the bass is present in the song, you will notice muffled up vocals. Apart from that, the instrument separation is good, and they're also pretty loud, yet no distortion in the sound. So in short, if you prefer bass heavy output, then you will find the performance very good. And again, in this pricing, we're getting a very good performance from these earbuds. Talking about the performance more, we have also watched movies and videos with these earbuds, and here as well, we get a decent performance and there is no lag in the audio. Talking about the lag more, you will notice some lag while playing games, and during our testing, we found that the lag is somewhere around 150 milliseconds, which is not that bad. Now about the battery performance is very good, and you will get 50 hours of total playback time, and also 10 minutes of charge will allow you to use these earbuds for up to 120 minutes. And lastly about the mic performance, so you get two mics in each earbud, and the ENC for calling is decent. And like all other true wireless earbuds in this category, the performance is average, but you can definitely take voice and video calls with these earbuds, but the other person on the call will get some echo. So overall, the Noise Buds Prima 2 is a very good budget true wireless earphone. Build quality and design wise, we're really impressed with these earphones, and again, in this pricing, we think they're one of the best build quality earphones. Performance wise, they're decent, and if you prefer boomy and punchy bass, then you should definitely consider buying these earphones. The battery backup is also very good, and in short, at ₹1299, these earphones are offering a decent performance with good design and battery backup. And as usual, if you like these earphones and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Buds Prima 2 True Wireless earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.